wakasai enra wa ya mane ne amamera magana ya bank batan Bank of Ghana won ma try foforo wa bie ya wa ya hu dwumadie nyina de amom so mfanye mu adwuma ye no na dwumadie no ase wo bra no abodwa trada won krapompuni mantam wode tudwase we akande ne niam e wodan no mu no a enebre ya ni bia be ye beboa mom dwumadie a won mu die no so atumi akoto ten na ye pass sa emprempren watimi anya dan mu ntum no mu ati seye sansemu niam ni na ye ni abaso e ba se bibi ni ye kwa akoye bibi a Bank of Ghana fo nso betumi ase won mu bo aya enimonyam nko a ene bebe mu mampani.
Today is a testament to the bank's vision, maturity, and enduring relevance. This architectural masterpiece not only stands as a symbol of financial strength and stability, but also reflects Ghana's commitment to modernizing her institutions to meet the demands of a fast-changing world. The journey to this new edifice was born out of necessity and foresight. The original headquarters, which has served the bank since 1957, had become inadequate to support the evolving scope and complexity of the bank's operations. Over 6 decades, the bank has been transformed in response to the dynamism of Ghana's economy, necessitating facilities that are both modern and secure to discharge effectively its mandate.
Mampanyini na narudan kwa akufuado ene yetin nkan Catholic sum one of my home Catholic Bishop Conference and I'm so my president or that's of no most Reverend Matthew Akwasijanfi ede assembly to ja wo kirem said ye o man no ye ne enam ye nsaso say ensu ane ye kwa ebrantuo enam gadam say sum so no wo sum no ye nhihye ya wo bebre so obi bia da we are Catholic ni na be you anim se gadam say wo be ye bie wo correction nya de a wo de ba wo no beje wo so mbekọ so no wakasa tufo se twu hu firi ho na so de chinchere twintwa we opo man wo fa boga nya soan se adwuma bia ya adwuma tie no na be ye de a ene we no chance wa twese kasi kwabrane kwa ho ya wo kunu ntino usika ya nye afa kura wo communion so ye nkobi wo so fokoro nso a wo so na wa sa da isisi no mu na sa ne me nyina da be koso jeje ho correction na no so one can she no associate say betumi akode ama most Reverend Matthew Kwasijanfi kasa say ebraso si enyina ebe ka bomu na sa ewudie no a ye ne ankasa ye di ehuni nchirima no ye betu ase kra.
We will not accept any donations that are the fruit of illegal mining. The sanctions will be tightened further, even to the extent that if you plainly, openly engage in galamsey after series of advice and you persist in that dangerous activity, we may even refuse you Holy Communion. So it's something that is ongoing. It's not that we just exact it. There will be series of warning. Stop that. But certainly, if you bring in money from galamsey, we do not consider that the Lord will not accept such a gift. We will refuse it immediately. You will be warned. And if you persist in it, then other sanctions will come. The people...
Most Reverend Matthew Akwasijanfi Enietin and kind of ranking member, Wabo Juma Energy Committee, Edema Nidis Yamanyukono, Rajon Jinapo, or the Assembly Baba Tuja, which him said, Wabino Deca. Deka kwa kamkuria wonti minchiano ene elo shedi ebi beba pam yebubun kane ane toto osisi woka se kura ene ye baabi kura ya start ya yebun kane ane toto nso ede ma wosi wo tumire ede akyeresie dia owura Dr. Elikim eye apetegbo ya ono ye penipa executive Chief Executive Officer did that IPPG ano say America dollars wo pepia henu aduokron aduonum nkron na ben de asogri say be ye no obetua no so wontua eti so ka so obekoso ara ne aye adwuma na akwa ti say adwumahunu ene wo mo ya kankwa na wo mo bo wo san bo so bo say aban ne kra wo de de free la Côte d'Ivoire enso e de ba eno so wo te ase ba bibia da nso a enye yi.
Well, the briefing I have received from the IPPs indicate that ECG is unable to pay them even on the current agreements that all of them adhere to, and that ECG has been defaulted. The other fact is that because of the exchange rate and the depreciation of the city, even when ECG collects the money, is unable to meet their revenue requirements as against the dollar-denominated bill. Thirdly, a lot of the legacy debt keeps compounding. The situation is exacerbating, and I can tell you in authority that even before this IPP shut their plant, there's load shedding ongoing. There was load shedding the day before yesterday, there was load shedding yesterday, and today, based on the briefing I have, there'll be load shedding. We're shedding about 300 megawatts, about 300 megawatts. And so if this IPP shut down, then we could be sharing close to 700 megawatts, and that will really have an impact on the nation. I think the government should sit around the table with them and make them the promise. If these IPP shut down, the whole nation is going to have a major problem.
Ranking member Energy Committee Ora John Jinapo Enieten in Kano akane fama akoma kobe se dunson edame meneda obofo kesere ye adwuma Ghana de shebe so de anopato santra kotoaba eyi mampani mrahye bedwafo mfinhia nan ya edi animu no ne ba se edi na ewiem ayehyehyehye ni nyinada ejina ndi isi ni MPP so we bonyonko sobo na we so abonyonko sobo enra sami gemfin so friends and twofo nhia mu kansema kase a ebo man wo wie ya pe ene na bi enso friends and twofo nhia mu no so de ne de be bia so a asem ni nyinada etiawa send this 40 tinkrofo a wom de basabasa yenso ebetimi aba wo se ni pe ya ya titiom na anu mu bi so ene nam social media ne to mabunu bi wom so wom wo boase se ne ma me shaloto sei ma me je mensa kora no wom betoto na wede na da ne chichinga a chesemu nsem de ene e basa nwonwan ya wom so anya intelligent ya ekoso wo se no so na nchen gadam sefo mabunu eno so ya titi bebre ndc for de wom hyedem titi wom so wom de wom ba be de tutura sem owura toni wobin akane chief executive officer dima minerals commission wono odi animu ya o si meeting ko so mauli hotel wo boase west municipality wo wie ye so ansoare ne ko adu die ene na na bi wo buru bi papa yentiri nchiremu
ya fa nyina so bi ama na openia ono eye srani oye general officer commander obenia e friend oboku say ono any MPP aye kanana say ye the papers be ba be ballot box bi as listen bracket na pink sheet no so no bi wo ma ye ne be gigi free baby abusu obi e ka sa asem ni bia na sabato e ba betuno na ho bo na wo form the person is not prepared for the elections aba e ba betuno ye betu o police station obi a agent gina ho ye wi a ye be kan wo ho no a ye kan so obi a gina ho bi central for mu ho bi and minimum central for the every police station mu ho bi ye be kan ye wi kra na emremu no I was say electoral commission edit a copy of the results yeah about no musu so or different from that go police station na wi a case ni obi a agent gina ho bi etin wan ana ekwakoye ballot stuffing or the ballot do kwako rebi I just say wa on board e bi asipen
wo wie ya nso wada wose aka ni prosipani wo wura ne ta kofi buachi a wagena home awie so nkotra fie nkogena home wo so anyina home wono so de mabunu hyede mo am ntete se de na na bi ye kiremu no se da ye ba beto aba no wo momra monten so e no momra me ya tutura de wo se wo ntete a wo mate no ebi no
say no police no and wo fi ono ne ka NDC for ho a ye form rantie ye openi ba kwa ye fe no ne tan ko fi buachi say ye mom rantie ye djuma no munye se tutura se ni eni nyamra se ni yes right openi say adwumpodi asa ho no ma I'm just saying na yes say police for eni ye bambo for nyina so e ma ye ni nko ho every day you will say NDC for your press conference are over here, you know.
Yera na bi ene yetene kase workers sanom custom division ya one more Ghana Revenue Authority for say one match contain na bi GRA for say one match container be a susu se and yama be a woman akodian should be come. Wo bra wo friends and trust for no commissioner odedwume koyano brigadier Zibrim ayorogo and odi asemi etu dwasa November bosome ne da na toso 9 na container ye 40 feet eye ehyan ene womu no na atuobi enso ekeka ho ne senti wo ma yedi animu no ya kire wonu masabre de wo ya asem no mu enhwehwem.
On Friday 15th November, during routine examination of the container by customs officers in the presence of the declarant and the agent, the importer's representative at the Golden Jubilee Terminal, the customs examination team discovered 53 sidearms, 74 magazines, and 65 live ammunition concealed in 3 different suitcases. The customs examination team immediately notified the Ghana Revenue Authority Intelligence and Investigation Unit and the Preventive Unit of the Customs Division of the incident. Following the notification, personnel of GRA Intelligence and Investigation Unit and the Customs Preventive Unit arrived at the scene and confirmed the 53 sidearms, the 74 magazines, and 65 live ammunition concealed in 3 different suitcases.
We a penny pa customer jume ko haso penny a wadano wo wura Zibrim ayorogo ene yete ne nka no wonyame ane mu wo atuo no aya nka mo de beba wura mu no isimpa ya yebogu mu so mo amaye madwe se mo de basabasa ye beba woni pa krade be chekura no ayaretwo ye to akase ebo no so me pa cho National Commission on Civic Education NCC for enso so wo mabamu abu papa constituency dialogue wa wo mo ye senka mra chebedwafo no mra metrase na wono so meche wo no madwe ne moa ema ni pensi gina ye ba bi e beto ya bana kono so fra na ye chenkyere twintwan oba pani a woda no ene di asemi ato nsenkyerefo animu a wo chechem se no kurani adwuma na yedna mawo.
Important impact of the parliamentary dialogues is in the way they make democracy, is in the way they demonstrate democracy in action, where communities gather to interact directly with those who offer to represent them. They see contestants sharing a platform, sitting next to each other, being cordial, speaking in turns with no insults, no intemperate language, and no threats of violence. The dialogues demonstrate the core principle of contest of ideas that underpin true democracy. It is so important that citizens, especially young people, witness this to reinforce the understanding that the negative elements like insults and violence have no place in a democracy.
Wabapani we yan wasari bi ka say aba ye beto aye che niema mo amoje niema no to mo we ye pa no ni pa kro de ya ne woje de a esemfie na wo kire wo dogom se nya de papa bi no obe ya ma wo ntumi nka ya me yani na ho se ba sa de a na abato ni mo ani mo nyam no ene ye yi ato atwene no.
And ask themselves a couple of questions. The first one being, where is the money coming from? The fact that somebody is sharing money, the first reaction should not be gleefully going to get your share. We should ask ourselves as citizens that where is the money from? Because again, I have repeated so many times over the course of this year and even last year that there is no free money anywhere. Wherever the money is coming from is going to go back with interest. And ultimately, we the citizens will pay the bitter price in the form of truncated development.
Yeah, twaswa bawuramu ewo emfimfi mantemnum. Central Regional Police Command and a woman in Central for Komo Kachen Central for say, yes, Rekosi Consuachia, na a macro for chia, Yari and some kind in Comodie, Yanko Cassem Bia de Beje Jamum, and Cosheta Crow Jim Cofo, Hobia Famra or Minor, the Titunisa Bacatron Bronia Babe Twabano, na Confobonia was Shem Comboni, Yan what Mubi Papa, this UOP Kofiadu, and a dear Semiaton Central for him say, Wama you want my protiphonics and Joby Crackabu, eh, Juma, send Sembi at the Babon train, year ye, Nichiche yemu, na nkofo ha nso ama.
Chairman, Ashanti. to my use implementation of ASAS, the role of educational accountants. The term I use I say, what's the accounting system, a core international standard. There's you to maintain on and yet the other than I see a quid. Didn't my fast topic to say, with me, I've got internet in it is a giftness. They are active. At any point in time, they say, your payment, you sit on the computer, click the buttons, and the payment will be done. I tell my fast, I'm ahead of the system. Okay, catch the members. They say, in town, say, yeah, regional conference. We have found a issue. But father said, executive Nanya, so we be a more a yellow pet. But here in a bar, at least we will be that too. I'm more quiet, and you're more than what much in German. The president said, if you say a year regional conference, we have an issue. Home run, at least about be because no one by the cartels there. Be I come on, also be a to what they come back. Now, chat one say, as an accountant's education, you're here who you. Na isika sebi bibia ntu bibia ne headmaster for ne data for ntam ya kama ne na ebo say adwuma de bitimi ewie peye
kasia no asi adeshima ma ye kanfo ekoso asre e dia mansa so mpache de gusu ada ekoso bible said you hunu mobroni mobo de afem awurade ane se monsa nwa entoma se uma ukrani bi so e katana de ja so awurade nso be kato de ja so ebresem me pacho sika 0598 559 802 as 0241 272 Tawan Media and a Blessed Foster and Ebeba. Santebo Benedict 27 penny. Ya Sone Casebo, Suma Mbegu, Hassano pay a day Emamu. I was just some Elizabeth Tona, and I rat refidine church in Chimfruma Kamanso, Eddie Amamiano Peo song for Hinini. I'm a cranchad as well, soft mammy premier.